Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for tuning in on this Tuesday afternoon for an edition of PM Weather. I'm student meteorologist Justin Rivard here with your forecast. Well, the cold weather continues here today in Plymouth as we only saw a high temperature of 28 degrees, 7 degrees below our normal high temperature of 35 degrees. And this morning's low temperature is pretty tough too, only recorded at 6 degrees, where we at least normally expect to see temperatures in the upper single digits. Sunset tonight at 5:25 p.m., where we expect to see at least 3/4 of the moon out there as well. And the sunrise for tomorrow morning, maybe you're heading on into work, slated at 6:37 a.m. Plymouth conditions right now, the temperature is right at the highs of the day, 26 degrees. Dew point is at 3 degrees, giving us a dry relative humidity value at 30%. And the winds have begun to gust up as we go on into the afternoon, right now being recorded out of the west at 14 miles per hour. Temperatures across the Granite State, you can see we are in the mid to upper 20s, 28 in Laconia, 26 degrees here in Plymouth, and 27 degrees in Lebanon. Making your way to the south, you can see that temperatures gradually get a little bit warmer, 32 in Manchester, 35 degrees in Nashua, and breaching the 30 degree mark there in Jaffrey, New Hampshire as well. As we look at temperatures across New England, you can see that the warmer temperatures are definitely near the coast here, 36 in Providence, 35 in Hartford, and 33 degrees in Bridgeport. However, as you begin to head away from the ocean, you can see that temperatures drastically get colder, 22 in Bennington, 22 in Albany, and 17 degrees all the way up there in Burlington, Vermont. Local radar and satellite composite shows that we are high and dry right now. No cloudiness or precipitation really speak of whatsoever. The only real disturbance on this map is here in the mid-Atlantic states, where actually as we pan back, you can see not really much of a big deal at all, as we have a little bit of precipitation there throughout Virginia. However, as we've gone into tonight and into tomorrow morning, this system won't affect us at all, as it is expected to make its way off the eastern United States seaboard and into the Atlantic Ocean. So the surface analysis, here's that high pressure system right now bringing us some nice sunny weather here in northern New England, and this low pressure system here in the southeast, which will make its way off the eastern United States coast into tomorrow. And while us here in northern New England stay nice and high and dry with sunny skies, elsewhere across the country we do have a low pressure system here beginning to gather strength in the Midwest. And as we go on into Thursday, it will actually continue to make its way to the east and intensify as well. However, us here in the Northeast will actually be enjoying a very nice day. Sunny and mild conditions expected on our Thursday afternoon. So the forecast temperature starting at 8 o'clock tonight, you can see we are in this light pink to purple area, signifying temperatures in the mid to upper single digits. Now as we go on into tonight, temperatures get a little bit colder, and then as into your Wednesday morning, you might have to brush some frost off your windshield of your car, as temperatures will be in the mid to upper single digits once again. Now as we go on into Wednesday afternoon, you see a nice quick warm up there throughout the day. However, at 10 p.m., we expect to get back to reality with temperatures once again in the low to mid single digits. So the forecast for tonight, we're actually expecting to see some nice clear skies, winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour with a low temperature at 1 degree Fahrenheit. And then for Wednesday, we actually expect to see a nice warm up, as we will expect some sunny skies. However, winds will remain gusty throughout much of the afternoon out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Then for your Wednesday night, it gets drastically colder once again, according to Big Goose Egg there as our low temperature, with winds once again getting very gusty, so watch out for those wind chill temperatures, as winds will be out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The PSU extended forecast brings some nice weather into Thursday with high temperatures in the upper 30s. However, Friday is beginning to look like a mess right now with a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain, so make sure to stay tuned for more details. However, the weekend is looking pretty good right now, as we expect to see some nice sunny skies and high temperatures in the upper to lower 30s. As always, I want to thank you for tuning in to PM Weather tonight. I'm student meteorologist Justin Rivard saying have a great night.